Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Vishawn Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC, and we are doing a follow-up video, but I'm doing it from my studio versus down in the kitchen. And Jan Hamid, hopefully I pronounced that right, asked 4 essential questions that I can't believe that I didn't answer in the video for the COSORI 12-in-1 oven. And I'm going to answer them for her and for everyone else here, and hopefully it'll help you guys make a informed buying decision. So Jan starts off with so many questions and she has 4 of them, and she wants to know, is the Wi-Fi button tactile? Yes, all of the buttons are tactile. There are a total of 6 buttons to the left, very prominent, very big and bulky. Reminds you of like the old tape player. You really got to press them. So they're definitely tactile. 1 knob to the right for the adjustment. So if you press time and you want to adjust the time, you turn the knob after pressing that button. So yeah, all the knobs are tactile. All right, now here is the tricky thing, and I haven't tested it because my Wi-Fi has not went out. It probably hasn't went out in about 8 years, so I don't know. My whole house is totally automated with lights and everything. So if my Wi-Fi went out, unlike my dog screaming in the background downstairs, then I would have a bigger problem than not being able to cook using the oven. I would use my regular standard oven. So the answer to the question is probably no, because it's Wi-Fi enabled. And so the way the buttons work is you would press the button for, say, time, or you press the button for temperature, and then you would turn the knob, and you wouldn't know what temperature that is. So yeah, that would be a problem. But with your Wi-Fi enabled, it is connected to the VSync app, VESYNC app, and that app controls it. So you can do everything from the app as well as from your A-Lady enabled or Google device. She did not hear A-Lady. That's Alexa. And I'm pausing so that she doesn't talk. She didn't hear my speaker make an announcement. That's because I didn't think when recording the video to turn her up. But I would just say, hey lady, set temperature to 450 in oven for 12 minutes. And she would cook for 12 minutes. Now, of course, if you need to preheat the oven, you would say, hey lady, preheat the oven to 450. Once it's done, you get beeping on the device, as well as you would get a notification on your phone telling you that your oven is preheated, telling you that the food is done, telling you that it's time to eat, basically. So those are the notifications you get. You get the beeping on the oven, and you get the notification on your phone. So you don't need to set a separate timer once you make that noted in your A-Lady or Google command. Alright, so can a totally blind person set up the oven on their own to the Wi-Fi? Yes, I did it, and it was literally press and hold the button for 5 seconds. That's going to enable a mode for your phone to be able to pick it up. You connect it to your Wi-Fi, you connect it to your Alexa account, and Bob's your uncle, unless he's not. So yeah, I think that's it. What if Wi-Fi is the button's tactile? All right, so Jan, that answers it for you. And I've literally talked 5 people. I didn't have to talk to them. I told them what it does. They said it's awesome. They went and purchase the air fryer. Everybody says they're gonna get. I mean, it's an air fryer. It's a baker. It's 12 functions in one, and it works really, really great. Yesterday, I cooked some tempura shrimp and French fries all at the same time in the oven. I used the tray for the tempura and the basket for the fries. Cooked them all at one time, and it came out phenomenal. So yeah. All right, well, you guys know, if you have any questions, you can always reach out. And until then, let's change the world. Let's change the world together.